this iPhone feature is always active. So if you want to fix this problem, then what you need to do is open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you'll find an option of a Face ID and password. Just enter your password, and here you need to scroll down a bit, and you will find an option of attention aware features. This feature on the iPhone is designed to understand whether you're looking at the screen or not. So it can lower the ringing volume or keep notifications visible and wake the screen intelligently. This feature looks simple, but for it to work, the system has to stay in a constant state of readiness. This means Face ID sensors, the proximity sensor, and motion data are being called not just once, but periodically throughout the day. Not recording, not filming, but repeated partial activation that seems minor, yet adds up over time. So you can just simply go and turn this off, and it will also fix your battery issues as well. When it's enabled, the iPhone is always trying to determine whether you're looking at it or not. When you turn it off, Face ID itself still works, but the phone unlocks normally, and system stops the continuous monitoring. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.